Hi, Rick Harsch. My podcast today is going to be an odd one. It's going to involve Olof Palme. Now, the first book has a lot of screaming going on. Let me see if I'm looking for the big font and the it's Silvan Radic. Get her. For instance, and you don't have to go many more pages, and you get another one. You get zeros, a whole fucking goose fleet of them on fire, in flames, anal misery. It's coming right at us. The mad nipple sink us. Then zip 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 flangshaw zip 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 fush twop. Johnny's on the wire. Gas masks. That was Johnny, right? That goes on quite a lot in the first one, but in the second book, things calm down just a little bit. So I'm only going to read the four screamings going on. Spivey lives. Spivey's the bringer of histories. We love Spivey. Okay, and then you get to the doomsday plane. To the doomsday plane. The what? Apparently not invited. The fucking shelter! And then you have pfft, thwop, and then thwoofed. And then finally the last one, nice try, asshole. And that's it. There's only four in the second one, four high-powered yellings. Thermidor comes in the first one. So that's, if you want to just get these books and read through for the large print, it's all black and loud. Although it ends, I'll give you the last onomatopoeia that is the last word in the book. It's so. Anyway, that's it. You got 3 days. And then you can skip this ad. But a short booktube on loud noises in volume 2 of The Assassination of Olof Palme.